M&D Enterprises and Lawnmower Shops. We're going to talk about finding the model number on your lawn equipment. We're going to start with Toro. Model number, and sometimes it's good to have the serial number because they will have different serial number breaks where they may have changed parts, like a pulley or a cable or a different engine. So Toro. Snapper. Here's a Toro zero-turn mower. Hustler and Big Dog. We'll print it on the frame. We have a Troy-built tiller. A handheld equipment will usually have it stamped on a sticker on the shaft. These chainsaws also have a plate, a little bit hard to see, but it has model serial number. Take you around the store here. Grasshopper has a metal plate, usually behind the seat on the fender. It has model and serial number. And again, serial number is important for Grasshopper because they change things year to year. We have a Briggs & Stratton generator. Echo and Shindala will print it on the equipment where you can see it. Here's Echo. And even our Traeger grills have a model and serial number in them. If you've got any questions about how to find the model number on your equipment, feel free to give us a call, 580-886-2345.